What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the MSI Afterburner overclocking scan cancellation. And so first things first, I'll start right from the beginning. You're going to right click, show more options, NVIDIA control panel, make sure that's open. Once it opens, you're going to go to desktop, enable developer settings. So I'll just disable it for now and show you. And then you're going to click on it and make sure it has a check mark beside it. This will allow you to overclock your GPU using MSI Afterburner, so you won't get the scan canceled anymore and all that type of stuff. So that's what I was experiencing, and that was the fix that I had to use to allow it to do the full scan to be able to overclock my GPU. So if you did get some information from this video and you did learn from this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if this fix solved your issue, let me know down in the comments, or if you're still having issues, I can try and help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace.